Hello everybody, I'm going to show you week two's playlist. It is week two, so obviously we have a week two playlist. So I'm on classwork again. Just scroll down, find week two. As promised, there's always a video that explains what the playlist entails. And then you'll find the playlist and any other assignment that you're going to have to turn in on Google Classroom. That doesn't mean there's other assignments that you won't do on in a different way or turn in a different way, but when you find something on Google Classroom, that means we're asking you to turn it in there. So, week two playlist, kind of unique. We are going to do the fall iReady diagnostic with you guys, and so this is what your week two playlist looks like. The first thing that you will notice about week two's playlist is that there's only two things that you really have to accomplish this week. So the first thing is that you need to read 20 minutes and you need to fill out your library form, and you need to do that on Monday. And then the second thing that you have to do this week, like I already said, is the iReady Fall Diagnostic, and you will start that Tuesday. That's when the window opens, so you can't start on Monday. And that's why I'm specifying that you should do your 20 minutes of reading, and you should fill out this library form on Monday, and then on Tuesday you should start the fall diagnostic. Now, once you start the fall diagnostic on Tuesday, you can have the entire week to finish it. So you can Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday in class. But you do have to wait until Tuesday to start that. Okay. You will also notice about this week's playlist that you have some enrichment activities. So once you're done with the fall iReady Fall Diagnostic, I listed these in steps because first thing is we really would like for you, when you're done with the fall diagnostic, if you have time, to take this survey, basically asking how you did, how you feel about reading, just some questions that will really help us going forward now that we have your diagnostic results, and this survey is going to help us with some of your interests as well. So that will help us going forward to create some curriculum for you guys based on your interests and your skills. So anyway, moving on. That's step one. Please take that when you're done with the diagnostic. Step two is a vision board. And if you click on here, it will actually give you the instructions for how you go about doing that, but please do not do the vision board until you have everything else on this list complete. This is a fun activity. It's something that's super cool that I'm really excited to see what you guys do with it, but I want you to complete the reading, the diagnostic, and the survey before you go ahead and do the vision board. And then once you're done with the vision board, you can go ahead and move on to week three's playlist if you so choose. And that is week two in a nutshell. So if you have any questions, now is the time to ask. Go ahead and raise your hand, and I will be answering any of the instruction related questions. So if there's something on this form that you don't understand or you're not clear about, please raise your hand and ask now.